Hi, and this is day 50 daily recap, and this is July 2024. And today I traded just EU, and there was no trades today. So if I look into the pre-session, let's start with the daily. Uh, the daily the swing is bearish actually. The swing was actually bearish, and the internal was is also bearish. You can see these red lines are bearish, and now what happened is there was some sell side, a buy side liquidity rate, after which I expected the price to come down to take out this weak internal low, but price just made a small pullback and then started to go further up. So that's what my second point is. My expectation of the price coming down after taking the buy side liquidity was invalidated. The price is still moving up to grab further internal liquidity. Maybe price now the price has tapped into this supply. Maybe the price can respect the supply and then come down to take out this weak internal low, or the price can just continue moving up to take out to tap into this extreme supply. Price now mitigated the extreme supply of this internal range. The price is set to come down for two reasons. First, to make a fractal pullback up to this demand, and obviously to make a reaction of this supply. For me, the daily bias is bearish. Now, if I jump into the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour is pretty much simple like the daily, but you can see the details in the 4-hour chart. The swing is bearish, the internal is also bearish. You can see this is the strong swings, this is the strong swing high, and this is the weak swing low. And within this, these dotted lines are the internal structure. So you can see price has made an internal breakout structure downside here, and now it is making the internal pullback. Now the price has swept this buy side liquidity and tapped into this daily supply, but it has just missed the 4-hour supply by a few pips. But you can see the the rejection of this buy side liquidity and the daily supply. So it almost clearly indicated me that the price is going to come down. So price is now in a premium pricings in the 4-hour internal range. Thus the shorts are high probability because you can see the rejection of this after taking this buy side liquidity. Uh, High probability as a price also took the buy side liquidity and it is in the daily supply. And one more thing is that there is no leg inducement for this leg and for this POI. So obviously the price will not respect this demand. This POI will be the only sell side liquidity available in the market is below this POI. So price will definitely pass through this POI. So we can place our take profits below this POI also. No it is formed in the run leg, so price could easily take out the sell side liquidity below the 4H demand. 4H bias is also bearish. I'll be looking for lower time frames to trade with strong highs protecting me. So probably like, I'll be looking for the price to come down and then come like that. So this will be my strong high, so that I can expect this strong high to hold, and then I can look for shorts. So jump into H1. Uh, this is the H1 swing structure. This is the H1 strong high. This is H1 weak low, and within this or H1 internal structure. Currently, I am trading within this. Okay, within this internal structure. This is the strong internal low, and the internal high is not yet formed because I didn't see a suitable pullback to name this as the internal high. For now, the swing is bearish. The internal is also bullish. You can see the internal breakout structure on the upside. Price in the premium pricing of the H1 swing structure. It has swept the buy side liquidity, but did not indicate the 4-hour supply. Thus, the price can move further up, or it can start to move down to take out the weak swing low. Uh, Weak swing low is wrong. Like I can expect the price to come down at least to tap into this uh, internal liquidity, internal range liquidity. Look for formation of the sweep zones and take shots with the press Y form. So that was my main motto. I'll be looking for price to make some uh, range like this and then sweep the buy sell liquidity, then push down. That will give me a strong shift in the order flow where I can look for shots from this freshly formed supply. That will be more high probability because we know that the institutions have kicked into the market, and then we can look to trade along with these institutions. So yeah, that's pretty much about the my game plan. This is a bit zoomed version of the same H1 chart. If I jump into the M15, yeah. So this is the M15 swing structure. This is M15 swing high and the M15 swing low. So currently, the yeah, this is the internal high, and this was the internal low. So this is the internal range that I was dealing yesterday. This is a bit zoomed version. You can clearly see the weak high and the strong low because price has made an internal breakout structure on the upside. So swing is bearish, internal is bullish. Price swept the buy side liquidity but did not mitigate the 4H supply or M15 extreme supply. I'll wait for the price to sweep the Asian highs. This is the main form of liquidity. Make which is the main buy side liquidity that I'm expecting to be taken out, and then make a shift in the order flow, which gives me enough confidence to take the phase B shots. Once this is taken, and once there is an order flow shift, we can't trade as soon as the liquidity is taken. We need to know that the big financial institutions are using that liquidity to go down, so that uh, that will be visible when there is a change in the order flow. Once there is a change in the order flow, then we can look for the banker block, the uh, order blocks or POIs, whatever you call it. Look for and wait for the price to mitigate those banker blocks, because there will be some pending sell orders left, and then we can look for the lower time frame confirmations and then make an entry. So it's as simple as that. Thus, the price can go either to mitigate the 4-hour supply or rally down using the rated buy sell liquidity. Thus, I'll wait for the session to give me the direction that I needed to trade. I'm not expecting anything, like I'm not planning anything. I'm not being biased. Like I have idea of both, why the price should go up and why the price should come down. I have the idea of both. Like if this happens, I'll react like this, or if that happens, I'll react like this. I was in that mindset. So that's it about the M15 analysis. I think one more. Yeah, longs. For longs, I was looking for price started to take out the Asian high. If suppose this order flow held for at least 2 legs, then I'll be looking for longs from here. So to target this weak internal high. That was my game plan. Second game plan. So session notes. Price took the Asian high and there was this bearish divergence. So the only thing I expected was the price to take out this low, make a fractal change in the character. That would be enough for me to enter shorts, because I'm not a bit conservative. I'm just a bit aggressive. So once there is a fractal shift in the order flow, then I can look for shorts in the 5 minutes time frame. The price of the Asian highs and the bearish trend is also supported by S&P divergence, thus waiting for the order flow to shift bearish to take shorts to target the small weak internal low. So it's a perfect, like I was waiting for this bearish shift. Then what happened? Price swept the this is H1 actually, the same time at 8:55 GMT. Price swept the Asian high, thus bearish order flow can continue. I'll confirm the bearish order flow once the price makes it up. So M15 is a bit aggressive, whereas H1 is a bit conservative. Like if you are trading M15, I'll suggest you to trade only the London session. If you are trading, if you are in a 9 to 5 job like me, then you can trade the H1 and you can wait for more confirmed entries. So this will give you more time, less time spent on the screens, and you can enter with more confidence, because your lower time frame entry will be M15. So, so let's jump into another session notes. Yeah, actually, after that, the price once the price took that Asian high, price was not in the mood to break the structure low. So either, but also I saw this bearish divergence. Only thing I could say is price can come down because buy side liquidity is taken and there's a bearish divergence. So I expected the New York to come down, at least make this chop so that I could look for shorts. But the entire New York session will be just 3 candles. I can't expect all these to happen within the 3 candles, right? So definitely I thought, okay, there is no trades and there is no suitable POIs here to look for longs. So I thought it was, and also I was not interested to look for longs because there was this bearish divergence, as well as the order flow was could shift to bearish. So I was in confused state. So I didn't take any decisions there. But strongly I was in a bearish mode. So if there is a chop, I will be taking shots. If but actually yesterday was in UK it is parliamentary elections, and in US it was you know uh, Independence Day, I guess. So both in the European session as well as in the US session, the price was very dull. So I couldn't take any trades there. So this is the last chart. This is M15, the zoomed in version of the S&P divergence. So there was this liquidity sweep. So if at least if I get, and there was this low resistance liquidity built up. So if I get this fractal chop, then I could enter. At least I was waiting for that chop to happen because price swept this liquidity, buy sell liquidity. So using this liquidity, price would come down to take out this area, and then price can start coming down to target the small B low with the support of bearish S&P divergence. But it didn't happen, and I'll show you in the chart itself. And this is 1 hour chart. Yeah, this is yesterday. Price didn't take any, the bearish divergence was here, but price didn't make any chalks here to take shots. But rather, price just went up and made one more internal breakout structure on the upside. So now the price is in the very much premium pricings, and it has tapped into this missed 4-hour supply. So once if I get the fractal order flow shift to bearish, then I can look for shorts today. Or hopefully I could make some profits today. Let's see. I'll update tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye.